Okay. Go. Ilabay na na imong stick. Maigo ang bibi, anak. Sige na. Dali. Okay. Dali na. Ay, sama niya kung kuwan. Ay. Stroller. Gahit man siya ipot. Ipot siya, nak. Nanaana ng bathroom. Rice, tala. Ang baby, oh. Gahit man ang kuwan, ay, stroller. Nag-ano ta sa baby. Narang doon, ihatod nato. Ihatod nato with the baby. Asa ka to, Giles? Riles. Agoy. Sige, sige. Tabangin ko. Punak. Nara ang bata. Yung bata, wak kasabot. Wak kasabot, bebe. What another house? Where? Ah, okay. Yeah. Give me. So the baby gonna be okay. This one? Yeah. Yep.
You bring the baby today?
Yeah, I did. Yeah. Where's the
¿Es tu hermana? Oh, ¿cómo se llama? ¿Ah? Joanna? Oh.
What did he start with? What did he start? Mom, I didn't bring my water bottle.
Oh, you didn't bring your water bottle.
Mom, can I get it?
No,
¿Se te olvidó?
I want to get my water bottle.
yeah, have a water there. I bought it. Here, oh, here. I gotta hit her. Dada. Don't touch that. That's baby stuff. But you're gonna have this water, so I get another one. Huh? No, I do video, look. Not now, not now. We need to finish this. We got only... Hmm? Agaray. You want the water or no? Paabot mi sa mga bus. Hapit naman yun noon. Pila na kami nito. 19? Oh, the bus is not here yet. What happened? It's late. I think it's coming. The bus. Yeah, so what happened to the bus? Why it's late? It's 8:90 now. Oh, it's coming here. Grand View Ridge. Yeah, nara yun, oh. Iyon yung nakikita ko na ano. Yung bus kasi na ano. It's coming. It's almost here. Yep. Pag dumating yan, yun yung bus. They're waiting.
So, how much is she paying?
I didn't get yet, so... But I tell her 35, so... 35, so... I don't know how much we're gonna get. So, last week I just only the other day is not a really whole day because the husband is come home. So, I just like maybe 10 o'clock or maybe 2 hours, and 1 hour for, I know I have a one day like 7 to 2:30 I think, then 7 to 3. So oh, he's going the other side. I thought he's already here. They're late now. I just thought it's already here. Yung bus, oh. Oh, they turn in the other side. Because it's all the way in the Grandview or something. Maybe it's more late today because it's 20. That's good that I bring the baby. Sometimes he's a good baby. It's like quiet.
Oh, is she?
Yeah, she's quiet. Like she's when he's watching TV.
That's good.
Mm-hmm.
Let's get a stick.
Balik dari Giles.
He's gone. No.
Oh. Yeah. What? Na late yung bus. That's not your bus. Maybe the next one is still in the. Yeah, their bus is late today.
Yeah.
Okay. Bus, late yung bus nila. Oh, nandito po. Ito kasi akala ko ano na eh kanina. Pero nasa ano na naman ngayon. May inikutan pang iba. Yeah, you see the bus? Just wait your bus. Oh, it's almost be there. Kaya ito. Naantok na tong batang to eh. I think it's that your bus. No, not yet. The other bus, hindi pa rin yung bus. Ayun yung mga kinukuha sa neighbor.
Aliani! Udah Aliani!
Ayaw lagi ikuan. Ay sabay ikuan ba kay ang tingog ba? Ayaw ipusog, ihinay eh. Is this the one? Is this the one? I don't know. Oh no, that's not your bus. I think I gonna look the bus. They almost there. Ibang bus. Your bus is almost here. Malapit na yung bus nila. Nandito na sa straight. Nandito na sa ano namin, oh. Yung kasunod na bus sa kanila na. Kasi nasa part 2 na eh. Wait a minute.
Mama,
It's yeah.
are you gonna bring the baby when I come back?
I don't know yet. Maybe the baby, I don't need the baby when I come back. Somebody watching it, okay? Your bus is there. Almost na. Yeah. Yeah, nandyan na. Nandyan na sa ano. Okay, bye. Love you. Yes. Go. Bye bye. Thank you. Bye. Oh, yun. Ayun na, paalis na sila. Bye bye. Bye bye na. Ayun, mag-walking na naman kami. Pasok na tong bata eh. So, uuwi muna kami ng ano. Mag bye bye na ako. Thank you. Antok na ang baby. Naantok na yung baby. At least okay na. Marami pa akong gagawin eh. Kaya ngayon, mag-ano muna tayo. Mag-bye ito. Tadang! Ito yung paligid natin ngayon. So, bye-bye. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. Like. Shout out. Shout out pala tayo. Team Labillians. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Bye-bye. Asa na yun? Okay. Asa na ba yun? Ito yung ano namin ng community. Asa na ba yun? Ang off. Hindi ko na alam tuloy yung off. Ay, ito pala.